Embark on an exploration of the vibrant world of microgreen farming, where tiny greens pack a powerful punch of flavor and nutrition. Join us as we delve into the art and science of cultivating these miniature marvels, for a healthier and more sustainable future. Microgreens, the young seedlings of vegetables and herbs, are not only visually appealing but also bursting with flavor and nutrients. Microgreen farming involves growing these delicate greens to their full potential in a controlled environment, offering a fresh and vibrant addition to culinary creations. Microgreens are celebrated for their concentrated nutrient content, intense flavors, and versatility in culinary applications. These miniature greens are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a popular choice for health-conscious consumers and chefs alike. Indoor microgreen farming provides a predictable environment for cultivating these delicate greens year-round. With the right combination of light, water, and nutrients, you can nurture a bountiful harvest of microgreens in the comfort of your own home or dedicated growing space. Microgreens come in a diverse array of flavors and colors, ranging from peppery arugula and earthy beet greens to delicate basil and vibrant radishes. Each variety offers a unique taste profile and nutritional benefits, adding depth and visual appeal to dishes. Harvesting microgreens at the peak of freshness ensures optimal flavor and nutrition. These tender greens can be enjoyed raw in salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and garnishes, elevating dishes with their vibrant colors and intense flavors. Microgreen farming promotes sustainability by utilizing minimal space, water, and resources while maximizing nutrient density and flavor. Incorporating these nutrient-packed greens into your diet can enhance overall health and well-being, offering a delicious and nutritious addition to your meals. As you embark on your journey into the world of microgreen farming, savor the joy of cultivating these miniature wonders and reaping the rewards of their vibrant flavors and nutritional benefits. Embrace the art of microgreen farming for a healthier, more sustainable future. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in your journey towards successful farming. Thank you for watching.